This video will show you how to share a USPS tracking number using the Informed Delivery app on iOS. If you're using an iPhone with the latest iOS update, go ahead and watch the full video. First, make sure you have the USPS Informed Delivery app installed on your iPhone. If it's already installed, you can skip this step and move on. Open the app and sign in using Face ID. If Face ID isn't enabled yet, watch the full video linked above to learn how to turn on Face ID for the USPS Informed Delivery app. Once you're signed in, tap on the tracking number you want to share. Next, select the Share Tracking option. The iOS Share sheet will open. From here, choose the app you want to use, such as email, messages, or any supported social media app to share your tracking number with someone. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips.